Hello everybody, today I have something a little bit different to show you. About a week or so ago I received an email from a company called bbcrafts.com, and they asked me if I'd like to play around with some of the products that they have on their online store, and I said yes please, that would be lovely. And so they've sent me a package that arrived today, and I'm just going to open it and see what's in here. And it didn't take long to get here either. It was only not even a week. Okay, so wow, look at this. Oh goodness, aren't they big? Now, this is some rolls of tulle. I'll just take one out, but it comes in a 2-pack of tulle. And I think this colour is called Old Lace. What a big roll. I think it's something like 100-yard roll. How do I open that? I don't think I shall ever run out of tulle again now. Okay, let me just get this wrapping off of it. And tulle is something I do use a lot in crafting. It's just one of those very handy things to have, isn't it? You can use it in so many different things. And there we go. It's not too hard and it's not too soft, and it's nice and strong. I do find tulle sometimes when I'm out thrifting, but if you get an old tulle, it can actually disintegrate very quickly. And I find that if I find vintage veils or anything like that, they do pull apart very easily. So this is wonderful because it's nice and strong. Let's just have a little look at a piece. And so much. Like I said, I don't think I will ever run out. And there's 2 of these of tulle again. And it's a really nice colour, isn't it? So I won't have to be tea dyeing it either. Let's just tie a knot in it and see. That's nice, isn't it? Okay. Yep, that's very nice. That should be really handy. Okay, so I have 2 of those rolls. I have some glass pearl beads. I have a jewellery findings kit. Does that come with that? Might do. That's some, is that like elasticated? It's like an elasticated thread. So this is Panda Hall Elite Creativity on Fingertips Jewellery Findings Kit. Really nicely packaged as well, isn't it? Oh, that is nice. Okay. Oh, what are they? I've seen those before. Yes, I've seen those before. I'll have to find out exactly what that's called. Okay, so we have one of those. We have some little head pins in silver. We have some eye pins in silver. Oh, and look, there's little plastic bits so you can actually divide that again as well. That's very good. We have tiny little beads, like perhaps stopper beads or something, or end beads. I'm not a huge beader. I do use beads and things, so I'm not familiar with the correct names of a lot of things, but these will be great. After saying that, now that's just, I know what these are called. Goodness me, how can I possibly forget what they are? I'll come back. Oh, it's just lost me. And there's a smaller size there as well. And then we have some little earring backs. Lots of earring backs. And a different style earring back. And oh, now these, I thought they were like lobster claws, and they are like a lobster clasp, sorry. But these are those, look at that, like if you made a bracelet or something, they're magnetic. Oh, look at that. How good would that be on a journal as a closure? And it's quite strong. So there's those little magnetic lobster clasps. Not that one. And then there's a different type of earring back there as well. They're the hoop ones. And, oh, these are the little earring backs that just thread through. I can use these as well, not just as earrings, but as something else. So that's good. And then here we have, these are just the little lobster clasps in the silver. And then lastly we have, oh, these are the, you know, where the closures, where you can just put that there and hook something around to make a bracelet or something like that. Jump rings. Don't you hate that when your mind goes blank? So that's great. I'll be able to craft with them, but I'll also be able to make some earrings and some bracelets. And that's elastic hair. I guess that's for like bracelet. I'll have to have a little play around with that. So that's a nice little kit, isn't it? I guess my daughters might be getting earrings. I like the little case it comes in. It's like those the ladies have been using for their embellishment boxes as well. Yes, that's nice. Yep, close is fine as long as I've got it pushed down how I'm supposed to. So that's very nice. And then we have some beads. Nice and heavy. Nice and heavy. Glass pearl beads, 8mm in diameter. 200 pieces, also in a nice little box as well. And I do like the way the box is, you can change the placement of these little ones for these. I think this one stays here, but you can put that in like that and make it like that if you want to. So let's have a look without spilling. Oh, hang on. Feels like it's stuck. No, is it? Oh, it is. for safety's sake, I would think. Let's see if that, there we go. Oh, aren't they pretty? Look at that. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, look at that colour. That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, wow. So there's 10 different colours there. So you're getting 20 of each bead. Very nice. That's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. And then lastly, oh, not lastly, sorry. Oh, almost lastly. Look at this. Oh, this is wonderful. Wow, and these are all glass beads. Look at this. Wow, look at that. There's 2 long strands of those. They're tied there. You just release them when you want. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Such a nice luster on them. Oh, they're beautiful. And wow, that's such a pretty, it's not bright white, it's like a vintage colour, isn't it beautiful? So nice. And I think these might be 10 millimetre, 8 millimetre, I think. Well, if they are 8 millimetre, are they the same size? Maybe it's 8. Oh no, that's 10, 8, because that's the same size as those. And this will be probably 6 millimetre. And then 4, perhaps. Look at that, isn't that pretty? They're just all on a string. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, that's wonderful. And then lastly, the little ones. There. Oh, very nice. Yeah. They're very, very nice, aren't they? Beautiful. Look at that. Very, very nice. And then lastly, I was sent, oh, I'm excited about this. Sorry for the crackling. And I'm quite sure this is 3 millimetre, this particular one. And this is a, stop, look at this, a roll of rhinestone chain in silver. Isn't it beautiful? Look at all that. I've never had so much chain rhinestone in my life. Oh, that is really nice, and it's not stiff or anything like that. It's really pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, that's really beautiful. So a big thank you to BB Craft. And I will put a link to the online store, and I think they also have a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box below, and I'll also put a link to these particular items that they've sent me. And the tulle. I think I confuse people when I say that. Where's that big roll of tulle? There it is there. Look at that. Wow. Eh? Isn't that nice? And the beautiful beads. and the jewelry findings. Wow. Okay, it looks like I'm going to be doing some beading, ladies, and I hope you'll enjoy watching the tutorials that I'll be putting up using these items, and perhaps a few of my own things as well over the next couple of weeks. So thank you for joining me today, and thank you again, BB Craft. This is just wonderful. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.